Okay, so I will be showing you how to get this roblox background. It also comes with its own mouse too. So yeah, so first search Chrome web store. If my yep, and you want to search something. What would you search? Well, you would search stylish, and then you would go to this one. You would click on it, add it to Chrome and do all of its steps. And basically, you could go to stylish and search. You have these nice you could go to stylish. Say, let's go to the app. Struggling. Okay, just go to. Show me on there. Okay, go to stylish. I think it's this. I guess. Yes. Then you would search for anything. You could search for anything. So basically, what I search, say if you want blue, you on this site search roblox. There. See, this is what I have. You could change it. See, let's pick a different one. We could do maybe this one. I'll also show you how to get this mouse. It's so easy. And that, so you would pick that, go to Sir Night, install a theme, go to your Roblox page, and bam, there it is. Okay, bye! Oh wait, before I do, you could change it by going here, going to install, and push activate, or if you don't want that, you could get that one. Nope. Okay, that's alright. Tutorial. We go to here again, and would inactivate that, and maybe like this one you could just get in behind this one is that's which is cool after that. And yeah, bye guys.